Welcome back to another video of Ragged Trick adventure. The weather's looking promising right now, and it's windy, although about 6-7 degrees. Welcome into Peak National Park. It's quite windy today, so I'm glad I'm on steel bike. Take a look. Is it a hurricane or what? And I'm heading over the hills, so fingers crossed I won't be blown off by the wind. And here's where I came from. There, up onto the Longnor. I've earned my banana. Oh yeah, that's, how do you call it? Electrical wire. I don't know if you can see it from here, but there's been some section of a 27-degree climb. Anyway, I'm eating my banana. Heading to Peak District. Climb after climb. Oh, 24. Wow. That's some gnarly terrain. I have no idea where it leads, however. It's gonna be slushing. Because it's really windy today, I don't want to take my chances, so just follow along this lovely stream onto the Chrome Hill. Slightly disappointed with this weather today, but it would have been much better. Well, no time to lose. Let's crack on. And yet into the bloody wind. I guess this is it now. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up or consider subscribing to the channel.